Sugar is the sweetest food on earth, present in most of our favorite desserts. We produce a massive amount of sugar and consume it at a high rate, especially in countries like the United States. Join me as we explore the sugar production process. Pounds. Equipped with a 400 horsepower engine, this machine can handle sugarcane quickly and accurately. Every day, hundreds of tons of sugarcane are harvested from the fields and transported directly to the production plant for processing. The factory is equipped with modern machinery and an automated conveyor system, ensuring the swift and preparing sugarcane seeds begins with in-depth research on different sugarcane varieties in the laboratory. Scientists analyze DNA and conduct chemical tests to assess the characteristics of each variety. Once promising varieties are selected, the seedlings are transferred to the main nursery, where they are carefully planted and monitored by agricultural experts. This stage lasts from 6 to 8 months, during which the seedlings are evaluated for pest resistance, adaptability to the environment, and overall quality. Upon completion, the qualifying varieties are moved to a secondary nursery for further development. Nothing better than enjoying a refreshing glass of sugarcane juice on a hot day. This popular and beloved drink is made from fresh sugarcane juice, extracted from sweet sugarcane stalks. You can often find it at eateries, cafes, or bustling streets. With its natural sweetness and cool, refreshing fragrance, it's the perfect choice to quench your thirst. If you haven't tried it yet, don't miss the chance to experience this unique flavor. To optimize the sugarcane harvesting process, the Bell Olteco 640 Chemical sugar is transported to the refining plant at a speed of 121,000 to 132,000 pounds per hour. Thanks to modern technology and automated processes, these plants achieve high productivity, superior quality, and environmental protection. Harvesters quickly transfer fresh sugarcane from the fields to the factory. The process of turning fresh sugarcane into refined sugar is carried out with strict quality standards that meet international regulations. These plants are a reliable source for the global sugar market. In the United States, sugarcane cultivation and harvesting primarily take place in the southern and southeastern states, including Florida, Louisiana, Texas, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico. Sugarcane is an important crop in American agriculture, mainly used for the production of sugar and ethanol. The annual sugarcane production in the U.S. ranges from approximately 66 million